Wanna know how to use TubeBuddy for channel growth? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under the internet, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your TubeBuddy application or the website, and then just simply launch the extension on the top right side, as you can see right here. And now once you have launched it up, it should open up your YouTube Creator Studio. And now, once it opens up, in order to grow your channel, it's all about tools. So you need to analyze your videos. So we have also created some videos regarding how to analyze your channel. So make sure to watch it. It's on our channel. So now once everything is done, on the top right side, you should be seeing this TubeBuddy icon, just like that. Now I'm going to show you some tools on how it can help in order to grow your channel. So it gives you niche insights. So again, this is like that. So now what niche insights does is it gives you how you can just simply grow your channel. This is the main one, and how your channel is actually performing in a very specific way. So you can also head towards SEO Studio in order to get your target keyword and create a perfect title and description generator. Next, we have Click Magnet Tag List, which should give you tag that you can add on your video topic panel, which you can add topics, and your keyword explorer, where you can just simply explore keywords, which is the main thing in order to make your channel grow. And that's it. This is how you easily grow your channel. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us more this videos. See you in the next one.